Hey beauties, your girl Dime P's back with another tutorial with RastAfri, and I'm bringing back the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So here's my braid base. It looks a little different from the first time you saw the Egyptian Passion Twist XL tutorial. Same packaging, but yes, you see it's a different color. Last time I used the color 1B, this time I'm using T1B/27. You know, give a little bit of color, but pretty much the same packaging to look for at your local beauty supply store. Now, here's the first tutorial that I did, straight backs full crochet method. This time we're going to do some individual braids so we can give a nice natural individual look with the rest being crocheted on your braid base. So here's a look at the Egyptian Passion Twist XL in the color T1B/30. Still the same soft, bouncy texture of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, just different color. And I just really like the two-tone of the T1B/27 getting brighter as we get down to the curl texture. So I'm using 9 packs of the RastAfri Egyptian Passion Twist XL. I like my crochet styles to be nice and full. So let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, you're going to need your crochet needle. Once you go into your braid base, please have your crochet needle open so it does not tangle or get caught. Loop the crochet loop onto the needle, then close and pull the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through your braid base and loop and complete the crochet. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's grab our crochet needle and grab an Egyptian Passion Twist XL. And let's start with our straight backs on our braid base. And once we complete these, we're gonna start on our individuals, and I'll show you this new method in this tutorial. All right, so each Egyptian Passion Twist XL comes with an open loop. Go ahead and open it, and I kind of like to just leave it on my finger as I find the space that I want to crochet the Egyptian Passion Twist XL into my braid base. So yeah, go ahead and open up the loop and prepare your crochet needle to complete the crochet. So let's go. Pull the needle through, open, loop the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, pull it through, remove the needle, and pull the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through the loop, and then you complete the crochet. Got it? Okay, good. Let's go ahead and repeat these steps with RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. You'll notice that this is a super easy technique. This is why this is my second time using RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL in just a different color. I mean, it's a great protective style. I work out daily, I work in beauty, I DJ, I travel, I'm on the go, and I need something super quick that's not going to be super heavy and that's going to help my hair to stay protected. And this is one of my go-to styles. And we're already done with one side, so let's go ahead and complete the other side of our braid base, yes, the straight backs, with RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. And again, I'm going to show you how to do the individual technique for a more natural look, especially when you're doing up styles or wearing it to the side. It just looks super natural. So let's go ahead and grab our needle and complete the other side. Remember, pull your needle through your braid base, open, loop the hair, then close it, pull it through, and loop the hair to complete the crochet. So I'm just about done crocheting the Egyptian Passion Twist XL by RastAfri. It's in my braid base. Oh, it slipped out. But I just want to make it a little bit more fuller, so I'm finding different open areas. So again, beauties, pull your needle, open through your braid base, and then loop the hair. Then remove the needle and loop the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through the loop, and you're all done. And this is just a great protective hairstyle, even for beginners. Like if you're watching this video for the first time, all you're doing is literally just looping the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through the provided loop, and that's it. No extra tying, no extra nothing. That's it. And that's why the crochet method for Passion Twist, this takes little to no time because all you're doing is looping it. RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL comes pre-done, where you would have to get 2 different types of hair, curly, and you would have to twist by hand and parting and all that. That would literally take hours. You know, if you're going to someone professional, it would cost a ton, where literally you're doing it yourself. Great, safe, do-it-yourself hairstyle, DIY, the RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So again, it takes little to no time if you are a busybody like myself. Again, this is super perfect and you get the professional look because RastAfri did all the work for you, but you get that nice sleek look of your passion twist with RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So yeah, we're almost done going through the braid base. Again, I like mine's full, so I used about 9 packs. That's pretty much all you need if you like a full look. More fuller, I would say at least 10. If not, 8 packs should be enough. And again, I'm rocking color T1B/27. Knock, knock. Your girl Dye Peace, just checking in, beauties. Doing okay? That's good. Such an easy hairstyle to do. I'm already pleased with how it's looking, nice and full. And we're done with the part where we crochet the RastAfri Egyptian Passion Twist XL into our cornrows. So now it's time for the fun part, that is show you how to get that nice natural individual look like you put in all the time and did your Egyptian Passion Twist XL individually. But you know what? It'll be our secret. I mean, definitely keep my secret because I love this crochet method. Super easy. And shouts to RastAfri doing all the work for us. So again, you'll pull a individual braid that you'll do. I did 2 rolls just because I plan to wear my hair up in a ponytail and to the side. So I really want to give it that natural look. You're still using your crochet needle and you're still going to crochet the individual passion twist into the braid, just like you would do normally with your crochet braid base. So let's do that first. Again, the needle through open, pull it through close, remove the needle and pull the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through the provided loop. That will complete the crochet part. All right, so let's kind of tighten it a little bit, not too tight. There we go. So now that that part's done, we're going to take the individual and crochet it through, like literally inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So what I'm doing first is, as you can see, I'm pulling the needle through open, through the middle of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, all the way to the top. Started out in the middle of the Passion Twist, but I'm going to grab my individual braid and literally conceal it inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Super simple. So a little bit of my braid is left out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go even further down into the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Again, I'm going to pull my needle through the middle, the middle opening of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So once I get to that part where there's a little bit of leave out of my individual braid, I'm going to hook my individual braid leave out, pull it through the middle to conceal my braid inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. And there we are. You just pull it through and you kind of like, you know, fluff the Egyptian Passion Twist XL to help conceal. You can kind of twist it a little bit and even take a little bit of the leave out that might be left out, like your ends, and crochet that in as well. And that's it, beauties. Your individual braid is now concealed inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, giving you that individual look like you hand twisted it yourself, when really all you did was crochet it in. So let's go ahead and repeat this step on the next individual braid that we created with RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Again, pull the needle open through the braid and pull your Egyptian Passion Twist XL through. As you close the needle, remove the needle and pull the Egyptian Passion Twist XL through the provided loop. Make sure it is secure, and now we're going to pull again the needle through the inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, because what we're going to do is we're going to grab our individual braid that we created and conceal it inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, so you know it's concealed and we can't see it, and literally it gives that individual passion twist look. So this time I started a little bit lower so I really can pull majority of the individual braid through the inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So now let's grab the braid and literally conceal it inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Close the needle, pull it through. And again, once you complete the step, you can twist the braid a little bit more inside of it. You know, whatever you need to do to kind of conceal it, but this is pretty much the technique you would use to conceal your individual braid inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So I have a little bit of leave out. I'm going to put the needle open back through the inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL, and then I'm going to grab my leave out of the individual braid that's kind of sticking out right there and open up the needle, hook my braid onto the needle and pull it through closed. And then once I'm out, I'm going to open the needle, remove the needle, and twist and kind of maneuver my braid more inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL to complete concealing my braid inside of it. And there we go. So again, beauties, go ahead and repeat this step, this method on the next individual braid that we created. And let's go ahead and conceal it inside our Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Hope you guys are enjoying this technique. I love it. I was like, I want to rock the RastAfri Egyptian Passion Twist one more time. Want to try one of their variety of colors that they have. But I was like, I want to try a new method and make it look even more natural. Like, they already look super natural, but I'm like, I want to do the individual looks. So hope you guys are really enjoying it. Again, if there's any questions, you guys have any comments, please feel free to drop them below. But this will give you that individual look, so you're literally not doing all the work yourself because it's all done for you. RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL comes all the way done to where all you have to do is the crochet method. So I do want to share with you, of course, what you're getting to certain parts of your hair that you're doing the styling. It's hard to kind of see. So what I do is I use my fingers to kind of feel the needle going through the middle, the inside of the RastAfri Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So I'll show you on my next individual braid how I do that. And that just helps you make sure that the needle is properly going inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist to make sure that once we pull that braid through, it completely goes inside, because the whole point of doing this is to conceal our individual braids so it looks individually. So as you can see, I'm using my finger, just kind of feeling and making sure that it's in there. Also kind of holding it with your two fingers. Make sure it's that the needle goes properly inside, because literally it could loop and go out, and you don't want that. So kind of use your fingers to make sure that the needle stays like in path of the inside of the Egyptian Passion Twist XL. And that just gives you such a nice look. And look, beauties, we are all done doing both methods, crocheting our Egyptian Passion Twist on our braid base, and then the individual braids. And look, it just gives you that nice natural look as you lift your braids into a up style, any kind of updo, side style. It just looks really natural. So again, ladies, That's all it takes. Step 1, crocheting the Egyptian passion twist into your corn rolled braid base, and then looping your needle inside of your Egyptian passion twist to pull your individual braid through to give it a nice concealed look. So let me show you the different hairstyles that you can wear with your RastAfri Egyptian Passion Twist XL. So of course, I did my straight backs and individual braids with a middle part so I can wear it down. And again, I just love the individual look. So, you know, if you're running your fingers through your hair, it just, you know, gives you that nice individually done passion twist look. So here's style number 1, straight down with your middle part. Super cute. And then for your side style, you can wear your hair to the side and show off your natural individual look, or go ahead and put it up in a nice updo, wear it to the side or wear it to the other side, and you can also do a nice super cute bun. So again, ladies, this is RastAfri's Egyptian Passion Twist XL. Please like this video by tapping that like button, and let me know what you think by commenting below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to hit that bell for future notifications or future drops. And of course, follow me at DJ Dimepiece on all social media. Follow RastAfri at RastAfri Braid on all social media as well, and their sister company, Fashion Source Wigs, at FS_wigs. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. New style on the way. See you on the next video.